A very warm welcome to our project review of VR game controller using Arduino. Our team consists of 4 members. I, CH Hemant Kumar with ID number N171100 and S Charan Sai with ID number N171082, M Naveen Kumar with ID number N171263, C San Krishna with ID number N171150. So the main objective of our project is to create awareness about VR, virtual reality, and also to show how VR game controllers are designed. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality include entertainment like video games, and in education such as medical or military training, and also in business as a virtual meetings. Other distinct types of virtual reality style technology include augmented reality AR and also MR, means mixed reality, sometimes referred to as an extended reality technology. So let us look out the materials that which we have used for this project. So the first one is Arduino Duo board and the potentiometer, push button and some jumper wires. So we have chosen Arduino Duo board because it mainly supports the keyboard library. So in this project we are mainly accessing the controls of the game, so that we need keyboard to access the keyboard library. So we have used Arduino Duo board so that we can easily access the library of the keyboard. But Arduino tree consists of different types of boards like Uno, Mega, and also Pro, Micro, Nano, Mini, Lilypad. So there are several types of boards, but some boards only support this keyboard library. So we have chosen Duo board because it is easily available and also very efficient, and it has more pins than other boards. And then we have used a push button. So the push button gives the values of 0 and 1. So for the brake purpose we have used this push button, and also potentiometer. So for the handle purpose, like we have used it's like a steering. So for the steering purpose we have used a potentiometer. As the resistance value changes according to the code, it writes on the keyboard to take the left or right. And also we have used some jumper wires to connect the components. So here you can see the VR box that which we have used in this project, and the softwares which we have used in this project are Arduino. So the Arduino software is used for the coding purpose, and the Trainers cardboard. It is an application which converts our laptop screen into the virtual reality screen, like into the VR box. So with the help of USB cable we can transport our video or the stream or the live stream to the VR view. And the last thing is the BlueStacks is for the game purpose. So we have downloaded some games from the BlueStacks, and we have changed the controls, and we have used for this game. So here you can look at the circuit diagram. So here the potentiometer is connected to the analog input, and one is for VCC and also another grounded. And the push button is connected with ground and one resistor, and also to the digital input pin number 2. So this is the circuit diagram.
So this is the Arduino software where we write the Arduino code, and here in the code we have included keyboard. So with the help of keyboard.h library we can access the keyboard of the game, keyboard controls of the game. And here int x is for the potentiometer we have used for steering, and int brake is for a push button which we have used for brake. And then we have given brake to the detail input 3, pin number 3 in the Arduino Duo board. And in the loop where our actual program runs, here brake is equal to detail read of 3. Whenever we press the push button it gives 1. So when the value is 1, the keyboard activates the game to stop. And And potentiometer. Here potentiometer varies from 0 to 1000. It gives analog readings of 0 to 1000. When potentiometer value is greater than 500, it accesses the keyword R, which performs the right movement of the car. And whereas when potentiometer is less than 450, where we have taken 550 and 450 as the threshold voltages and threshold values, or when potentiometer is less than 450, keyboard give access to the left button of the game, which controls the car to move leftwards.
So let us look into the hardware. So this is the microcontroller Arduino Due board, and this is the push button switch which we have used for the brake, and here is the potentiometer, you can see, right? So here is the potentiometer which we have used for the handling purpose, and this is the total design of our project.
This is the software which we have used to interface PC to VR, and you can see our output here. Now we put this mobile phone into VR box, and we can see output here through VR box.
Let's open the push start and play the game. So you can see the controllers of the game are here. So when he turns towards the right side, the car moves towards the right. And when he presses the brake, the car automatically stops, slow down. So this is the total interference which we have created and designed. So you can see, right, the car is moving left and right, not tapping directly on this keyboard. So with the help of this potentiometer and the brake, we are controlling total game. So nowadays in the shopping malls also, these type of games are played, and they are making money out of it. So this is the sample demo, and we have made this to spread the awareness among people about the VR, and also the gaming, the running world is totally depending on the game.
So basically, we have designed a gaming controller, and we try to experience through the virtual reality, where a player can truly immersive and experience the first person perspective of action games, and in future we would like to do some improvements in our product.